Today we are so excited to introduce you a dynamic industrial cleaner. Please follow the camera to have a peek. And the machine is called UD200, and the whole body of the machine is made of 304 stainless steel, which is very strong and durable. And it has a lifting platform for parts up and down, which is great for cleaning. There are 3 tabs when you first operate it. First, you need to click the menu mode and heating and shut the door. Secondly, when the temperature reaches 14 degrees, add some cleaning agents on it. Last but not least, put your dirty parts and the tank into the machine and start to work. The machine has an oil skinner. When you finish washing,